So today I'm going to teach you some of the basic and simple things that you can do to create a film or to create a cool video right after this intro. Hey guys, Mark Salvon here and welcome to my YouTube channel. By the end of this video, I'm going to give you some tips where you can get a royalty-free music so you don't get in trouble uploading your video on YouTube. So stay tuned guys. Today, like I said before the intro, I'm going to teach you some of the basic and simple things that you can do right now to create a cool video or a film that you can show it to your family and your friends, or maybe making a career out of making cool videos. Now, I'm speaking to those people who have some sort of a camera, like maybe a DSLR or a mirrorless type of camera. But if you don't have any of those and you still want to make videos, don't worry, you can always use your phone because phones nowadays are more powerful than they used to be. So pick up your phone and start recording. First, let's talk about shots. Now, there are a variety of shots that you can do with your camera, but for today we're just gonna talk about the basic one, and you're gonna need a tripod for this one. Steady shot or static shot. Now, let me show you what that looks like. I know it's boring looking shot, but wait until we gather all the shots and put it all together. So let's keep going. The next one, tilt and pan. So yeah, tilt is basically you tilt your camera up or you tilt your camera down. And for the pan, you can pan your camera to the right and to the left. These shots are so simple and basic, you can just do this without that much effort. Now I think we've covered some of the easy ones, so let's get a little bit harder. Next up is the handheld shot, the push and the pull. So basically you hold your camera like this for the push, and then you push it toward to your subject like this. And for the pull, you pull your camera back to your chest like this. Just simply holding your camera could sometimes give you a cinematic look to whatever you are filming, whether your subject is a person or an object. This will depend on what kind of focal length you are using and how you want to tell your viewers your story. But be careful though, because the longer your focal length is, the more shaky you are introducing to your footage. So just be aware of that guys. Next are the sound and music. All of the clips were shot outside, so we're gonna look for an outdoor sound effects, like maybe a wind or kids playing outside or a sound of an animal like a bird. So now we got something like this. Okay, let's talk about the last one on the list, which is the music. So again, there are a variety of music that you can choose from, but for this particular one, we are going to choose a most suitable music for our project, which for my personal choice, I think I'm going to choose a cinematic background music for my project. So now we got something like this. Pretty cool, huh? Not bad for a beginner. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so the next time I upload something on my channel, you will be notified right away so you don't miss a video just like this one. Now, let's move on to my tip. If you're going to monetize your video, make sure you guys are using the royalty-free music. What that means is basically that you guys are allowed to use that music to put it on your project and make money off of that and not getting any copyright strike on YouTube. And this is very important, guys, especially to you guys who are just starting out making videos. For me personally, I use the Soundstripe and the Artlist because they're not only cheap, they're also easy to use. I use them for my wedding videos, to my YouTube channel, or some other gigs that my clients need. But if you don't have the budget, that's fine because YouTube can give you those for free. Just go to your YouTube studio and click audio library. When you get there, there are hundreds if not 1,000 music and sound effects that you can choose from, and those are definitely royalty free so you can use it anywhere in your project. I appreciate you stayed till the end of this video. You guys are really amazing. But that's it for today and hope to see you at my next video. Peace guys.